guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming my January Birchbox. I actually almost forgot to do this, so I'm sorry if this is going up toward like the end of January. But anyways, let's get into it. The box this time looks like this. It's like very girly, very pretty. Has a bunch of like cute little quotes and stuff on it. And inside they have, "Hello 2019, from Birchbox newbies, hi. To long-term friends, here's a refresher on how to make the most out of your boxes." They want you to update your beauty profile, pick out your samples. Apparently you get 10% back in points. And they also like it if you review your samples. So let's get on into what I got. The first thing in here is the Aero Enhance Waterproof Eye Brightener. The full size is $10. Apparently this is an exclusive item. It says, "Swipe this pearlescent pink liner along the inner corners of your eye and the lower lash line for an instant pick-me-up." Now this is like a really bright champagne color, like a very nice like light skin color. You guys probably aren't going to be able to see that, but that's how it looks. And yeah, I'm really excited for this. I needed one of these, so it's cool to get one in Birchbox. The next thing I got is this blush serum. It's the Beauty Beauty Blush Serum in Sunrise. The full size is $16, and it says, "This lightweight water-based blush gives your cheeks a healthy flush while nourishing your skin with apricot seeds and vitamin E oil." So I think I have a similar product to this. I'm not a huge fan of liquidy blushes, just because I don't wear a lot of blush to begin with. I tend to try and stick to more of a like peachy blush, and like a pretty light one at that. This seems, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but this is very, very pink. I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to use this. This might be one of those products that I briefly test out and then give to someone else, or I might just go ahead and give it to my cousin and then see if she wants to do a review on it, because I'm very biased because I'm not into like pink blushes like this, so I can't see myself really wanting to wear this. Nothing against anyone that is into pink blushes, it's just that my cheeks already get red enough, and you can kind of see it even through my foundation a lot of times, so I tend to veer away from those. But anyways, the next thing that I got in here is the, I don't know how you say it, is it Block? The Block Pull-Off Mask. The full size is $29. Avoiding your hairline and brows, apply an even layer of this mask to your T-zone after cleansing. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and slowly peel off to reveal fresh and revived skin. So I haven't used a mask like this before, but I'm really interested to try it. I don't do masks and stuff very often, but I do quite enjoy them when I do. So this will be fun to test out. The next thing in here is the Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. The full size is $49.90. Detangle, hydrate, repair damage, and fight frizz with this decadent hair mask that adds instant smoothness. Use in place of conditioner and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. So this is something I'm definitely interested in trying out. I have a lot of issues with my hair being frizzy, so if this works, that would be amazing. I'm not sure that I could afford to use this often if I were to want to get it, but I'm still interested to try it. It also smells really good, so that's a big plus for using this. The last thing in here is the La Vanilla, the Healthy Fragrance Vanilla Grapefruit Perfume. Full size is $48. Notes of crisp cedarwood and warm Madagascar vanilla mixed with sparkling pink grapefruit make for an energizing scent cocktail. So I haven't actually liked very many perfumes and stuff that I've gotten, but let's spray this on and see what I think. This one's okay. I like it better than the other ones that I've received in here. I'm still not sure how much I would actually wear it, but this one's not bad. Like, I could definitely see myself using it occasionally. So very good job, like, from Birchbox sending me a perfume I'm actually interested in. Typically, I like the Bath and Body fragrances and the Victoria's Secret fragrances, but I don't really get actual perfumes. So it's cool that this one actually smells pretty good. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all of these things. There are certain things like these two, the eye enhancer eyeliner and the Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin are probably the two I'm most excited to try. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these things and if you like them. And please let me know if you want to see more of these videos. And sorry, I don't know why I don't know what I'm saying right now. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see more of, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!